Hi, this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com and our two YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Frag Camp. I want to show you a really light hairbrush. Now, you say, why would you need a hairbrush when you're through hiking? Well, honestly, do you want to look good in town, especially if you young men and young ladies have really gorgeous, spectacular hair, and we're all young at heart, so even older people. But if you have nice hair and you don't want to look like dirty and grungy, and you want to feel like kind of human after being out in the wilderness for those town resupply stops, a hairbrush is a good thing. Or you may be traveling with a dog like I am. I have my service dog Jake, and I've also taken my service dog Ray, who is an English Shepherd who had very long hair, and I want to have a hairbrush, but you're not going to lug something heavy. So here, this puppy comes in at 3/4 of an ounce, which comes to 20 grams, if you can see that on my scale. So all I do, and you just go get any old Dougie hairbrush, and you'll have get one that has kind of this rubber part with these little metal bristles here, and basically you just pull it out of the brush, throw the handle and hard plastic away, and you just use this, and you just kind of hold it on the side and you brush, and it works great. I brushed my Siberian Husky Jake, and a ton of hair came out very easily. It was soft, and it's very soft and gentle. The bristles have like little knobs that are kind of gentle, and again, super lightweight. So for definitely, because I have a dog, my hair, I don't care, I cut my hair short when I'm hiking, but definitely if you're gonna have a dog, this helps with ticks and just, I don't know, getting their hair in tangles and just having them look awful. And then of course shedding, if you're in a tent, shedding all over your expensive through hiking gear. So definitely you can see what it looks like on the side, and eventually when you brush it, kind of, because there's no backing, this pushes through, so you got to push it back down. But as my boyfriend said, you could push these bristles all the way back down and just duct tape it, that just a little extra weight. But I find that when they're high, they don't brush as well as when they're kind of halfway through like that. I think that works the best for me. So anyway, that's it, Phoenix Genesis, and I'll see you on the trail.